Hello, YouTube. Welcome to RSA Passive Income Academy. Today, we'll be focusing on market analysis for the upcoming week. So, the market analysis will be basically the technical analysis, fundamental analysis, we already touched on, and the strategy is 80/20, which 80% is basically our fundamental analysis, and 20% is what we'll be touching based on today. All right, let's start with USD Japanese yen. As you can reference from the previous video, um, we'll start identifying price fall and price ceiling, right? So, our recent price ceiling, price flow, price ceiling, price flow, price ceiling. All right. So the next thing, now we have price flow and price ceiling. We'll be identifying our important zones. As you can see here, we are identifying where is the price currently at. Is it expanding or is it constructing? Or is at equilibrium? Currently, you can see the price is expanding, meaning it's a bullish movement and is toward the end of expansion of this bullish leg. So now we'll try to identify how far the price have expanded. As you can see, the price have not expanded further to our key level of 1.618. So there's a possibility that the price might break this level and go to the level of 1.618 or further to the price level of 2.618. All right. So next thing that we need to focus on is to find our price clutter. So where is our price clutter? You can see the price cluster somewhere here. There's the price clutter. Here, and if we go further with the price clutter, still remember our previous analysis, there was a price cluster that was taken somewhere here, and another price cluster here. And I'll remind you price pattern. And I'll remind you that our key level is also close to the price clutter. So there's a possibility the price that will get close to this key level here and correct to the downside and take also this price clutter here and move to the upside to form the last leg of the bullish movement. All right, so now we have our price clutter. So the next thing is to find our construction expansion zone and expansion zone where we will be entering our position for the first time in a week with this pair. All right, so carry on. Moving to 15-minute time frame. This is where identify our appreciation and depreciation level. So this is where we'll be entering our position. Okay. So 10 pips below this line, we're looking for short. First, our maximum risk reward 1 is to 2.5 or 1 is to 2 the minimum, and to the upside 10 pips above the appreciation level, and I'm looking for 1 is to 2.5 or 1 is to 2, and maximum targeting this price cluster here. So that is definitely to make it 1 is to 4. All right, moving on to the next pair. First, looking for our price ceiling, price flow. Our next pair it's GJ. So GJ is as follows. So we have a price ceiling here. Move on to my price flow. Price ceiling here. Price flow. And price ceiling here. So next thing we're looking for expansion, equilibrium, and construction zone. As you can see here, um, the price is also currently at the expansion zone, same as you can see it's correlated with USD Japanese yen, the GJ pair. It looks similar, and I think also gonna get the similar entry. See how far this pair have moved. So Can see there's a possibility that this pair will start correcting to the downside because it have reached a 1.618, or it can carry on to the level of 2.618 before it retrace to the downside. All right. So by using my Fibonacci retracement here to here, you can see how this pair is going to retrace back the key zone, so it can come somewhere in this level here. But I'll monitor this pair, and if it comes to this level, then I'll start seeing what I can do with longing this pair, right? So carrying on with this pair, next thing is to look for price clutter. So I can see this price clutter here. There's another nice price clutter here. Those are the price clusters that are currently visible in this chart. And if we go further from the previous week, surely this pair looked similar to the different pairs. So you can see the previous weeks, there was also another price cluster which is already formed. You can see that price bounced from that price cluster there. So price cluster here, and you can even move further. There's another price cluster somewhere. See this price cluster that I'm talking about? And there's another price cluster somewhere there. There's definitely the same similar thing is gonna happen as soon as the price gets to there. And it's where I said I would expect the price to start retracing from that 2.618 key zone level. So it's close to the price cluster. So alright. So what's the next step? Next step is for me to look for appreciation and depreciation level. I'll use the 1 minute, uh, 1 hour chart, so I can see to identify my appreciation and depreciation level. That's my appreciation level, just above the price clutter, and my depreciation level on this chart is further here. Get my depreciation level, right? So 10 pips above appreciation level, I will be looking for longs, targeting this price clutter, and I will start looking for short here from depreciation level, put my stop loss above the price clutter, and 1 is to 2.5. So somewhere here. And like I said, guys, on the previous video, how I use my risk managing strategy. So I when it might as soon as my trade goes to 1%, I shift my stop loss to break even, and if it goes to 2%, I shift my stop loss to 1.5, and then I let the trade run, shifting it for each and every move of a percent. I auto shift my stop loss to a move of a percent. All right, moving on. Okay, start identifying our price ceiling and price floors. Price ceiling, price floor, price ceiling, price floor. Fibonacci price have went up, down, went to key levels of Fibonacci zone and is currently moving to the upward direction. Same Fibonacci, as you can see, currently on an expansion, which means the direction is bullish. All right. See how far is going. The trade is gonna move here, here, here. Okay. There's another price ceiling that I missed here. Price ceiling. Okay. And see how far again price have moved. So as you can see, there's still possibility the price can move up to 1.618 level or further to 2.618 level. Alright, so the next thing is to find price clutter. There's the price clutter here. There's already been taken, and furthermore the price is gonna run through the price clutter. Give another price clutter to the downside. Yes, of course, there's a price clutter here that's been taken, not been broken yet. And let me see if we're gonna have another price clutter to the upward. For now, there is no price clutter that has been formed, and I see something that we spoke about with the previous videos, concept that I've introduced to you that is currently in play here. Look at this, lovely. This is a dumping zone. There's a dumping zone here. So there's a possibility that the price is definitely going to the upward direction, broke the price clutter, retraced to the downside, and proceed to the upside. So I'll show you the movement of the price. So probably the price is gonna move as follows. Let's see. So it's gonna go up, down, up, down, go to the retrace here and go up to the last price cluster that is up there. Okay. So next thing is to look for my entry levels. Going down to the 15-minute time frame, looking for my entry level. As you can see, this pair already gave us something somewhere here. So appreciation level and depreciation level. So I want to short the price somewhere here, maybe to this price clutter. But like I said, the first targets 1 is to 2.5. Are we looking for another trade somewhere here in the dumping zone? Maybe just a couple of pips below the dumping zone. So short it maybe 1 is to 1.5. A quick scalp trade. If it gets to dumping zone, or I'll see if the price maybe goes 50 um, let's make it 20 pips above the appreciation level, and I'll be looking for 1 to 1.5 on the uptrend. Or if it's carrying, I'll look at 50-minute time frame and observe if there is a depreciation zone on lower time frame that has been broken. So say maybe if the depreciation zone is somewhere here, I'll start looking at entering a trade somewhere here and looking for 1 is to 2.5. So yeah, this is your Asian session and London session trade. So this is how I'm going to be trading Asian session and London session. All right. Thank you for watching. I will be also breaking down gold and USD ZAR in a couple of minutes. So for now, let's make money.